Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today I'll guide you through the process of creating an e-commerce store right inside Facebook Messenger and enabling users to order your products directly inside Messenger without leaving your Facebook page. This is a powerful feature that allows users to shop products within Messenger via a bot, making it easy for customers to order without leaving the chat. This is all made possible through the Zebrabuzz platform. Before we begin, ensure that you have a Zebrabuzz account and that your Facebook page account is connected to Zebrabuzz. If you haven't done this yet, please watch the video linked in the description for a step-by-step guide on setting up your account and connecting it to Zebrabuzz. Once that's done, follow these steps. On your Zebrabuzz dashboard, click on E-commerce Store in the left sidebar. Then click the Create Store button. Select the Facebook page where you want to sell e-commerce products. Give your store a name and provide the required information, such as your email, country, state, city, address, and store language. Don't forget to upload your store logo and favicon, which will display on browser tabs. Ensure all required information is filled out correctly, then click Create Store. Your store will be created successfully. Next, you'll need to add your products. Click on the Products menu on the right to add your products. Click the Add button. A product form will open for you to enter the product details, such as the name, original price, sale price, attributes, category, and an optional video link. Provide a product description and purchase note if desired. Upload your product thumbnail image and featured image. Set the available stock quantity and choose whether it should be displayed to the public. Once done, click the Save button to save your product. You can follow the same steps to add more products. Your product is now listed in your store. Now it's time to set up the bot inside Messenger. To do that, click on Bot Manager in the left sidebar and select the page where your store was created. Now, click the Create New Flow button on the right. A flow page will appear. Double-click on the Start Bot Flow component. Here, you'll need to enter the bot keyword or keywords separated by commas. For this example, I'll use the keyword e-commerce. Next, give this bot a title for easy identification later. I'll name it e-commerce. Once you've configured everything, click Done. Now, drag the connector and set the reply type to e-commerce. Double-click on it and select your store name, choose the product, and set the Buy button name. For example, Buy Now. Click Done and save the bot flow. You are now ready to sell. Let's now see how it works in Messenger when a customer or user comes to buy that burger. Go to your Facebook page and open Messenger. Imagine you are the customer who wants to buy a burger. Type the keyword for the product. Remember, our keyword for that burger was e-commerce. Once that is typed, your e-commerce store product, burger, will appear in Messenger. The customer will click on the Buy Now button and follow the rest of the procedure. He will review the product and click Buy Now. Confirm the quantity and price and ensure his delivery address and contact details are correct. Then click Proceed to Checkout. The customer will then choose a payment method from the options available in your store. For this demonstration, I'll choose Cash on Delivery as the payment method. An invoice will appear showing that the order was successfully created, with the status marked as pending. This is how your customers will order your products through Messenger. How will you see this orders on your dashboard? Return to your e-commerce store and click on the Orders menu on the right. You'll see the new order listed here, with its status marked as pending. You may open the invoice to view the amount and other details. If everything looks good, change the order status by selecting Approved from the Status drop-down menu. Optionally, add a thank you note for the buyer and click Submit. The customer will receive a message that his order has been approved and will also get the thank you note. Congratulations on making a successful sale. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. Visit our website or contact our support team if you need assistance. Remember to sign up for free at Zebrabuzz.com. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and like our video. See you next time.